Good morning. This is what we're gonna cook today. I'm gonna cook shrimp with Sprite, butter, garlic, and the special sauce, Alavar sauce from Zamboanga. So, madali lang to and masarap. I'll show you guys how you do this. Very simple. This is the special sauce from Zamboanga City, Alavar sauce.
Streams of violet rays coming over me. Must have been dreaming it all. It's beyond me. I never knew your thoughts were about me. Must have been dreaming it all. 'Cause I couldn't see. It's over me.
Hello guys, it's Monday. Happy Monday to everyone. It's time for me to go back to work. My wife is at home. She's the one's gonna take care of her today. So I already cooked lunch and dinner for them for tonight. I'll show you guys what I cook. It's very simple, and I use this sauce that came from Philippines, from Zamboanga City. We brought it here when we went back home last year. It's called the Alavar sauce. So I cooked that shrimp with that Alavar sauce. It's so yummy and very easy to cook. It only took like 20-25 minutes to do it. So I'll show you guys the quick recipe that I have. Okay, I think it's ready. It's warming up. Let's go drive. So today is Monday. The weather is not that bad. It's very sunny. You got all the snow are melting. So hopefully that's it. We're not getting any more snow. But look at the sun. The sun is so bright. Alright, so let's go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents.
Alright guys, it's time to go home. So today was a good day. Only one admission, and all the patients are good. No issue at all, no complaint. And I have a very good CNA and nurses today, so it was a good day. Hopefully tomorrow the same thing. So anyway, for today I think that's it for now. I'm going home and get some sleep, take a shower first, then get some sleep, and tomorrow is another day. Again, thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my video. Good night.